I'm a ride in a phantom, not scared of ghosts. Haunted by the past this life gave me. No time to reminisce, I got a bright future ahead of me. I got a strong head on me. I got a bad bitch giving sloppy head for me. Every rapper, nah, reoccurring phenomenon. Talk this, talk that about the women. Pac said it, if we don't love them, we'll have a generation of babies that'll hate the ladies. Respect yourself if you want respect. I'm already a celebrity, got a lot to celebrate. I'm not cocky, I'm just confident. I got proof to back it. Fashions got dollars, a lot of stock in me. Set me up for the slaughter. Livestock in me, dead stock in me, but I can handle it. Said it once and I'll say it again. I'ma keep that heat tucked cause my balls are cold. Pause, get my dick sucked by the bitch my ex was scared of. Pause. Even if I'm not fucking, I keep protection on. Dragon skin, breathing fire like they do in Vegas. Still saying fuck a pacifist. If you talking shit, you'll catch his fist. If you bragging about your life being right, you better have the confidence. And haters gonna hate, I ain't gonna let it wreck my day. Say what you gotta say, I haven't felt this great in a minute. Days ain't great when the sun shines bright. From this height you'll feel the sun rays. And I'll take this bar and raise it high, cause you can't face the fight to challenge me. It gladdens me, everyone is trying to be me. I mean, watching my strategy, looking for a loophole. Trying to roll by, but there's no cheat codes. What you think this is, sacred genesis? No one's tucking you in, giving you a kiss. This world is tough, you gotta get tougher. Light a match, set a fire under your ass before someone takes it from you.
Hey yo, I told them pass the blunt, I took a puff and passed out. I'm that loud, chasing money bags when they chase cloud. Like a jungle gym in preschool, you rappers played out. Simple as the ladder be, a jump into the murder beat. Emergency, emotional limitation of Hercules. I drop these, you on your knees, suck on these like lollipops. That's for your bitch, I'm so legit. I wrote this on Rosetta Stone with a passive tone to fire for you die a hoe. Coming up like a cyclone supposedly. Rappers thought I was down with this hardcore poetry. I blow MCs into smithereens like a bag of coke. Not a joke, but I crack bones like Stone Cold Steve Austin, Travis Scott with the bars, kill him in the mosh pit. Sick as fuck like having sex, then I vomit. Live the fleshy lifestyle, rapping slow as Sonic.
Yeah, high as the moon. What you heard, yeah, it's true. Yeah, high up as the moon. Yeah, high up as the moon. Baby girl up in my room, tryna speak up on this tune. Can't believe what I can do. She's so impressed. I think it's best if we just use the song for sex. So give me neck or give me back. She love me so she staying wet. Little to a fault, had to pass the ball. Young ain't standing tall. When I call, she urgent to respond. Then song, get up in this bed. Why you turning red? Turn around instead. Show me what you got. Show me how you live. I heard that you the best, and what I heard ain't get corrected. Put the truth into perspective. She do it big like she in Texas, smoking while I'm resting. She drinking another 7. I ain't realize it, but I feel like I might be going up to heaven. I'm high as shit. Bitches with biases while the money keep piling back and forth like a violin. As long as it don't reach us, I'm fine. High as the moon, can I hear it one time? I'm high as the moon. What you heard, yeah, it's true. Yeah, high up as the moon. Yeah.
Flipping out these bars like it's zero gravity. Higher than the moon, I can't even see. Spitting like a rabbit that is running around in heat. You say too many weird things like make believe. I'm Marvin the Martian. Why the bitches call me Sergeant? Not a rapper, I'm an artist. And all you is some garbage. Bumping uglies with your girl like giggity. Spitting melody like fiddly dee dee. I'm King DDD, and my life's a mystery. Man, I'm Mr. Clean, and I got the Listerine.